आने वाले तमिलनाडु चुनावों 2026 पर बीजेपी नेता आर शरद कुमार कहते हैं, हम 2024 में बीजेपी में शामिल हुए थे। 2 साल बीत चुके हैं, फिर भी हमारे नेताओं से किए गए वादे पूरे नहीं हुए हैं। उनमें से किसी को भी कोई पद नहीं दिया गया है और समर्थक मेरा रुख जानना चाहते हैं। पार्टी में मुझे कभी पहचान नहीं मिली, इसलिए मैं उन्हें कार्रवाई करने के लिए कहते हुए एक और पत्र भेजने की योजना बना रहा हूं। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष की नियुक्ति के बाद भी कुछ भी आगे नहीं बढ़ा है। अब समय आ गया है कि फैसले लिए जाएं।
This party. I said, let us send a letter to them. Once again, because they have been verbally talking to them. And once I represent tomorrow, we'll represent to them and tell them, please take a decision soon. And initially they were waiting for the national president to be appointed. So after the national president is appointed, still nothing has been taken forward. So it's high time they take it forward.
So you're a prominent party in Tamil Nadu. What was being promised
I
by BJP while joining and what was being denied? Was this
No, I'm see what is promised in the sense, basically what was discussed. Let us keep it that way. What was discussed is definitely there will be a national position because I didn't want anything to do with the state. I said I'll work in the state to bring BJP to power in 2031. That was my way of thinking. So I thought I'll work towards that if I have a national position. That was what was discussed.
Do you think the change of leadership in Tamil Nadu BJP has turned the table?
I don't know about that. It is for them to decide because I joined not only for Shri Annamale ji, I joined for Modi ji. I still have the greatest trust in Modi ji. I'm a great fan of Modi ji. I met him as a chief minister for Media Voice magazine that I was the chief editor. I interviewed him when he was third time CM. From then I've been watching Modi ji and his capacity to rule the country and also dictate terms to the entire world and take our country to economic growth.
What's the next course of action?
Now it is united, but to take decisions